Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Atomic Wallet application on your PC. To install and download Atomic Wallet on PC is super easy. First of all, open up a web browser. Once you open up a web browser on your PC, go to the URL box and type in atomicwallet.io and search. After searching for Atomic Wallet and ending up in the home screen of Atomic Wallet, click the download button at the top right hand corner. Now you can go ahead and select your device that you want to download the wallet app to. You can go ahead and choose the link for your Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora. To download it on your Windows or your PC, click on the Windows button and you will then be able to start the download process. Wait until the wallet gets downloaded, and once it does, click on Open File. Now you can minimize this browser and wait for the application installation process to complete. Your Atomic Wallet is now being installed. After it is done, you can go ahead and enter your password for your wallet and click on Open Wallet if you have an existing wallet. Then you can go ahead and enter your password to unlock your wallet. If you don't have a wallet yet, you can click on the Create Wallet button and follow the instructions. If you have a previous wallet that you want to restore, click on Restore Wallet and then enter your backup phrases in the correct order and click on Restore Wallet to get access to your wallet from your PC. So that is how you easily download Atomic Wallet application on your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.